Hello, all in the internet land. I am extremely excited to be here this morning. Again, it's about 2 o'clock, and they're still going. It's 72 hours of power, and yeah, we're still going. So I am going to be bringing to you today a little bit of my story, on how I've been able to unleash my greatness and step into my boldness and into my authenticity, and how I've learned to brighten the world with my brilliance. I want to teach you a little bit about that. I believe that it takes some sweat to get to where you want to go in life. It takes some sweat to build the muscle of the mind and to really reach your true potential. When we are afraid to show who we are, when we're afraid to let them see us sweat, I think that causes us some problems sometimes, because there are situations where you're going to sweat. And sometimes we just have to sweat it out and allow ourselves to go through the process of whatever that is, whatever it takes to sweat it out. Now, there are 5 steps. The first one would be the self-image reset. Second one would be wake up. You got to wake up. You can't be in a slumber. If you have dreams, you've got to live them. You've got to come out of the dream and actually live it. The embracing yourself, embracing who you truly are in life. The lights, camera, action is the A, because, of course, in whatever you do, you've got to take action. If you don't take action, you get no results. And then the last piece would be that transformation, because it's all encompassed. But really, as you take the steps, that's the transformational process kind of happening. And it's happening throughout the entire time. Now, a little bit about me and my story. I've gone through some ups and downs, as we all have, I'm quite sure. And I was in a place where, I was always this boisterous, really lively, active person. And like Chase said, my smile lit up the room, and I was, just a very active person. And I'd gone through a situation where I was no longer the me that I knew. My friends were probably wondering, what the heck's going on with Ayanna? I changed. I had some health issues, and I think that played a large part in why I was kind of stepping back. It also played on my self-esteem. It played on just the me I was meant to be. And so I realized that I was no longer showing up. You have to show up in order to even play. You can't decide, I ain't going to make it. I had some issues today. I had some malfunctioning in the clothing and some other things that went on, but I had to show up so I could share my message with you. The beginning of any process is making a conscious decision to show up, whether it be, you're the CEO of your life. This is not a presentation on morals. This is not about that. But as a mother, as a wife, as a community leader, as a business person, it is extremely important that you pay close attention to the things that you're allowing to enter your life. The booty shaking and the dropping it like it's hot, that's not really that cool anymore. Again, if you're not an entrepreneur, you're not maybe looking at yourself in a specific light, but you are the entrepreneur of your life and of your family. So it's time for us to start taking our businesses of being mothers and of being entrepreneurs to another level. So make sure that as you go through the transformational process, you incorporate the shifting of your mind by incorporating positive music, positive books. That is going to take you very, very far in your transformational. Stepping out is a difficult process, especially whether you've done the mindset shifting, whether you've done the showing up. The stepping out, again, is the most difficult piece, because when we're ready to step out, the mind says to us, you sure you got that? You sure you're good enough for that? Are you going to be okay on stage? Are you going to mess up your words? These things will play in your mind and will fool you from stepping out. As you train yourself to sweat, each day you become stronger. It becomes natural to be the best and deliver your best. It is very rewarding, and I can tell you that from experience. This process that I've gone through this. I'm not just preaching to the choir. I've gone through this, and I'm still sweating every single day. I have a coach. I had a coach last year that helped me in one aspect, and I'll shout her out. Pam Love, I love you, and she helped me out, Dr. Pam Love. And I'm working with Cheryl Wood now in the sizzle speaker crew, as I call it. So I'm continuing to sweat. I'm continuing to build that muscle so that as I'm teaching this, I'm doing it. You know, I'm the trainer that's training with you. As I build muscle, you're building muscle. I may have a little more muscle than you right now, but as we work together, your muscle will grow, and you'll be able to train some folks to sweat it out.